Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can merge an image with the background in PowerPoint. This is pretty simple and easy. First you need to import your picture to the slide, and after that right click and then click on the format background. And on the right side you will see that there are fill options, and if you want to select the solid fill, you need to click the color, and you will see that pick the matching color which is the closest match to your picture. For example, I'm selecting this color, and here you can see that the both colors are merged and your picture is easily merged with the background. So this is the simplest and easiest way. And if you want to use some gradient colors, you can use some gradient colors as well. And here you need to select the gradient option and then the preset gradients. Click on that and select the medium gradients, and here is the type. You can see the different option. You can also select the direction, and here is the slider. You can mix and match and apply on the slide. It's up to you how you merge it. And also you can also select the other color. If you want to use some dark color, you can select from here, and this is the word. You can select some dark color and mix and match using this slider to move left and right. You can also use the transparency as per your need, and also adjust the brightness as per your need. So best part is that use the solid fill and select the color that is matching with your picture. So in this way you can easily merge an image with the background of the slide. So if you think you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.